Hello friends, good evening. I am Shubhangi Sanjay Borde from Buldana. Now today's date is 21 December 2021 and today's video topic is memory allocation in Java. So let's start the details in memory allocation in Java. So first of all, what is the memory allocation? So, memory allocation in Java refer to the process where this computer program and services are allocated and dedicated to the virtual memory space. In Java virtual machine, divided the memory into two types. First one is stack and the second one is heap memory. For Java virtual machine, executing on an application in its maximum potential can happen from stack and heap memory. Every time a new variable or object is declared, the memory allocate memory related to the operations. So first of all, stack memory. So stack memory allocation in Java is used for the static memory and thread execution. The value contained in this memory are temporary and limited to satisfy the method, as they keep getting the reference in first out. As soon as the memory is called, a new block gets created in the stack memory. Method using the stack memory allocation in Java. So next one is objects push object elements. Here an item gets pushed to the top of the stack. The object pop any element located at the pop means any object located to the top of the stack get pushed, flushed and returned in case of an stack being vacant and the pop. And the second one is Java heap space. So mainly used by the Java runtime, Java heap space come into play every time an object is created and allocated. The discrete function like garbage collection. The memory allocation in Java is divided into two parts. The first one is heap stack and the second one is code and static. Accessible from the complicated memory management technique including the young generation, old. All parts of the application invokes the heap memory. Anytime an object gets created, it is stored heap memory space. The next point is the size is more but take time to process compared to the stack memory. The size of heap memory space to compare the stack memory space, the size is more in a heap memory space. Hence, the memory allocation in Java occur in the two ways. The first way is the stack. The second way is the heap space. So we hope it help you in understanding the process it goes in the memory allocation in Java. Easily implement there are two ways, stack and heaps memory space. We can easily achieve the memory allocation in Java. The stack memory allocation in Java is used to static memory and thread execution. And as soon as the memory is called, as the new block gets created in the stack memory.